Hey guys, welcome to Math Tech. Today we'll be learning how to delete photos from Terabox, and now let's dive right in. Now to delete photos from Terabox, first open up your Terabox app on your phone, and after opening your Terabox app on your phone, guys, on this interface you can see at the top of the screen there is a search bar, and just below the search bar there is the photos icon available for us. Tap on the photos icon or the button over here, and all of the photos which you had uploaded or backed up into your Terabox app will be over here. Now you can see I had only uploaded or backed up a few of the photos. Now in order to delete these photos from the Terabox, we'll be required to tap and hold on the photos we want to delete. So let's tap and hold on one of the photos which we want to delete, and after tapping and holding on, guys, at the bottom right corner of that photo, when the tick mark appears at the bottom of the screen, you can see the menu appear, and we will be required to tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen at the right side of this menu at the bottom of the screen, and there is the delete button. So let's do that again. Let's go back and let's select some photos which you want to delete, and let's tap on two photos, and let's tap on the more button at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on delete. And when this panel appears, tap on the delete button over here again, and after that those photos will be sent to your recycle bin, whereas after 10 days they will be permanently deleted. And that being said, guys, tap on delete and the photos will be deleted from your Terabox app. And there, guys, this is how to delete photos on Terabox. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.